Hello, I'm Dr. Krupa, Senior Consultant from the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Fernandez Hospital. I'm here today to shed some light on endometriosis, which affects roughly 10% of reproductive age women and girls globally. Endometriosis is a condition wherein the tissue that normally lines the inner layer of the uterus grows outside the uterus. This leads to inflammation and scar tissue formation in the pelvic region. There are several lesion types. Superficial endometriosis, found mainly on the pelvic peritoneum, and ovarian endometriomas, in which ovaries develop cysts which are filled with chocolate-colored fluid, commonly known as chocolate cysts. Deep endometriosis, where inflammation and scarring happens around the uterus, involving the bowel and the bladder. One-third of women remain asymptomatic. Dysmenorrhea or painful bleeding during periods is a common symptom. Some women present with heavy bleeding during periods and irregular cycles. Pain during or after sex is also a common symptom. As the disease progresses, women develop chronic pelvic pain, which may affect their quality of life. Majority of women conceive naturally in the early stages of the disease. The presence of chocolate cysts may decrease the ovarian reserve, which is the total number of immature, healthy eggs in the ovaries, leading to subfertility. The scarring of tissues in the pelvic region may distort the anatomy, leading to difficulty in conception. Hence, women with endometriosis who are in the reproductive age group are advised to plan pregnancy early. There is currently no known cure for endometriosis, and treatment is aimed at controlling the symptoms. However, early diagnosis and effective treatment do control the progression of the disease. Not always. Management depends on the age, symptoms, and severity of the disease. The first line of treatment is medical and is aimed at symptom relief and avoiding the progression of the disease. Women who are unable to conceive naturally are treated with ovulation induction drugs. Women with larger cysts and those who have severe pelvic pain are managed surgically. Surgery involves a laparoscopic removal of the cysts and clearing adhesions in the pelvic region. I hope this helped you understand endometriosis better. If any of you have these symptoms, kindly seek early treatment. Do comment or message us if you have any other queries. Thank you.